What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another week, another story, and this week actually is a very important week. So welcome back to the channel. Smash a like if it's if you're obviously watching the video. Anyway, let's get on with the day's story. And I want to start with Solana, right? Solana is in massive trouble after the launch of PumpFun's very own AMM, further adding pressure to ecosystem plays like Raydium. Raydium has crashed 34%, 33% overnight. And, you know, Bitcoin sitting in the 90s. The crypto total market cap is 1.19 trillion. And underneath the headline numbers, there is a storm brewing in this Solana ecosystem. And I want to quickly talk about it. I want to address it, you know, let the community know what my thoughts are on this impending current situation in Solana. So Solana, the blockchain, obviously, with a lot of fundamental speed, it has done pretty well. I mean, you're talking about 50x from November 2022's lows at around $8 and some change. So Solana has already done incredible numbers. Sorry, that Raydium has done almost 50x from its lows at 16 cents. But Solana has performed magnificently in that time too. Right. What's the issue? Over the last 24 hours, of course, Raydium, which is obviously, you know, when Pump.Fun creates tokens, they get bonded automatically into Raydium. And then, of course, that's where the shit show happens. But the staggering drop overnight is because Pump.Fun has announced it's ditching Raydium in favor of building its own automatic market maker, right? Automated market maker, I should say. It's a mouthful there. The big shakeup for liquidity for Solana is a clear signal that the partnerships and integrations are rapidly shifting. Now, this on top of the shit show that has been a lot of altcoins that the market doesn't really need, born in the Solana ecosystem, okay? So, as if this wasn't enough, Solana had rocketed, look, at the end of the day, Solana has been absolutely rocked by these meme coins. Okay. And of course, the huge rugs that we saw lately has meant that a project that was once the biggest promise of crypto that has done so well post SBF's horrendous management of the FTX exchange. And it's now starting to wipe out millions from investors overnight. Meme rugs have added to the fuel, of course, the bearish sentiment on top of that in the market. And this, obviously, what would have been a typically normal correction has now become and led to a lot of people leaving crypto. I know that in terms of YouTube views, in terms of engagement in the community, in the Discord. I know many good people that have capitulated. And I think that is a good point to address. That would be purely because of this, right? If strong altcoins are underperforming BTC, your microcaps don't stand any chance. Now, what I would say is, from a long-term perspective, personally speaking, I'm here. I believe in crypto. I believe in the fundamentals. I do actually enjoy staying in this market, at least for the foreseeable future. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme for me. For many people, there's financial pressures, and we will get a better market condition. Having said that, at this particular moment right now, I'm not running away from the market. It doesn't make any sense. Yes, I'm down on a lot of positions. This week's going to be absolutely crucial, considering the macroeconomic news that's about to come out, which is, of course, very big reading on Friday on inflation. We've got US PCE inflation on January on Friday. That's going to be pretty huge. That could actually send the Fed to pivot. There's a revision of GDP Q4 2024 to be revised. That report comes out. The second estimate could be very important, especially if the numbers need a significant revision, which will allow the Fed to act again or put pressure on the Fed to act. So that's a very important report. All of the AI and, of course, crypto in large and the stock market, tech stocks, NVIDIA earning report is on Wednesday. You've got consumer confidence coming out tomorrow on Tuesday. Of course, the week is going to be absolutely huge. So for the week ending February 28, these are the key events. So I wouldn't lose hope, guys. It would definitely send the Fed to pivot sooner rather than later. But going back to the Solana argument, I genuinely believe the Trump token was the top signal, okay? And that was the liquidity drain. I mean, we saw how small our alts got on that fateful day, Saturday, when Trump launched, you know, a few days before his inauguration. He launched the massive meme coin, of course, and then Melania rugged. We've got the Argentinian president. So I'm not feeling sorry for Solana here. Investors are growing increasingly cautious, and the ecosystem is under a significant pressure as trust and liquidity continues to evaporate into other chains. And this is a very important chart. You see Solana BTC, which was once so high, so dominant, is down 45%, right? 45%. Let that sink in. I mean, it's incredible. It's almost worth half of its value versus BTC now. Okay, now the question everybody's asking is, will Solana bounce back from these challenges, or are we just witnessing the beginning of this once promising network, or the end of the beginning? For me, only time will tell. I think Solana will still be able to do very well in DEPIN, in certain aspects of AI. Fundamentally, launch projects from launch pads will do very well. The question for the shitcoins, that's something that's beyond our control right now, and that is a massive thing to consider, right? But fundamentally speaking, speed, all of that, Solana is still a very good project, and it will recover, considering that, of course, any legislation that comes in to curb these shitcoins is a totally new consideration for all together. Now, of course, time will tell. In today's volatile market, of course, you've got to be informed. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel. And I'm definitely going to put out more content. Guys, if you're looking for good fees on your exchange trading, I've got links for CoinW, got special fees there. Go and trade over there, especially if you're doing like futures and spot purchases. And of course, if you want to join the channel, if you want to join our VIP community, links are in the description for only $9 a month, guys. There's a lot of information there, a lot of good people there waiting to be part of the DXB community. And of course, if you found this video helpful, do let me know in the comments. Is Solana going to continue to disappoint, or do you see an end of the shitcoins on Solana? Be interesting to get your thoughts. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care.